How to see the Wi-Fi passwords which are already stored on this phone. So swipe down from the top and come here to the settings wheel. Settings. Now up here come to the general tab. General, and go down to backup. Tap on backup. Backup and restore. Backup. Loading data to backup, please wait. Okay, later. Here on the backup page, uncheck everything and open up settings, the last one. And in the settings, check only Wi-Fi. And now tap on start. Now it's backing up to the SD card, LG backup, and it's an LBF file. So I will connect the phone to the computer and look for this LG backup file. Connect the cable here to the phone. On the computer, open a file explorer window. Here is the phone, it's V30. Okay, and on the SD card, here we have LG backup. So enter that folder, and here's the file that was created by the phone. Let's copy that one to the desktop. Copy here. Now come to the start menu and type in WordPad and open from the desktop that LBF file. So file, open, and from here select all documents. Here's the LBF file and open it. Okay, and inside that file search for quotation mark and Q. Quotation mark and Q because in front of that one you have the name of the Wi-Fi network, and in front of another quotation and Q you have the password of the network. So first the password and then the name of the network.